how you doing. Please remain seated at all times. Please keep your hands and feet inside of the tram at all times and hang on to your personal belongings. Like your cell phones, your magic wands, and your hula hoops. Peter Jackson will tell you what a good does glasses on.
Look at the school.
Ladies and gentlemen, King Kong.
We just saw the 3D movie of the King Kong. It's fun. It's very fun. Very close with the effect, with those water splashing. Yeah, very nice.
I had an early affection for movie monsters.
I can see that stage, so these tools of the tree.
The magic behind Mickey. But I fell in love with zombie movies and monster movies.
Looks like we're gonna release their secret spot. I'm up for that. Lady, open the doors. Now, where is that music coming from? We're supposed to be hiding out. It's nice blasting music. Lady, open the doors. You know what? I'm going to get it open those doors. Check this out. Hey, Letty, it's Dom. I get you in the clubs all the time. See, Letty thought I was Dom. She just opened the doors. Yeah, I found out what that music was. Don't need the glasses yet, because it ain't nothing but a party, y'all. That's how we roll here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Bad guys show up, we just go on the ground and party. Yeah, it's like that. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. Oh yes, oh yes. What? Wait a minute, we just got here. Stop right there, young lady. What's your phone number? Oh, now they're taking the food. Well, at least leave us some nachos. That ain't right.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party.
And where are the nachos?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move. Neil, that's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, let's back up a little bit. Got it. Slight bit.
Hey, bring us back some nachos.
First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Let's grip this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss. You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Wait a minute, what is Roman doing?
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw Traceless. House can't hold it forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
All right, we're moving.
It's about to get real interesting.
Yeah, thanks for the phone call. It was on vibrate.
My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door. Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
side of the tram at all times and hold on to your personal belongings. You know what? I think Owen Shaw's in here somewhere. You'll never find us. It's a big building, and it's dark here. He'll be driving around in circles, bumping into his own men, embarrassing himself, going, I thought they came in here. Where'd they go?
Speak now or you won't get fired!
Wait, let's pray about this.
This is our turn.
Everybody hold on! Hit the nitrous! Oh, you die!
FURIOS 3D movie. Seriously, King Kong, it's fun. Impressive.
Annual pass members, we'll see you again soon. If you're not an annual pass member, take today's ticket, turn it into a membership. Come back and visit us again and again. If you're interested